Most of the time people would say Christmas came early, but this time I'm saying Christmas came late. But thank you so much, ACS Composite. Wait till you see what we have on our front porch. Check it out. ACS Composite box. Thing is huge. Oh man, it's kind of heavy too. Get back, Kit. Go on. It's just another box for you to sit on. See? Told you he would sit on it. Heck yeah. Now, what I'd like to know from you folks, what you think is in that box.
Here comes Mike. He's got a little toy from ACS Composite. Mike, what's going on? What do you got there?
Dude, I got something really heavy.
What is that?
And really big from ACS Composite.
Look at that.
It's huge. I'll tell you this much right now, it's a much needed mod for the Captain America car.
All right, very good.
I've been wanting this for a long time.
Let's see what you got. Look at that. Wow. And we got Captain America on the lift, ready to go.
Yeah, all ready to go. So just got to open the box up and let you guys see what it is. All right, so Mark's taking out the staples. He's on his last one, so, or no, one left.
Look at that. What is that? I think I know what that is. I know what that is.
You do?
Yeah. I think you've been talking to Joe or something. This is very nice. Look at that. Yeah.
I've been talking to Joe.
Very nice. Look at that. I see carbon flash.
Yeah.
I see carbon flash. Oh gosh, that's nice. Look at that. Look at that.
Big old 5VM side rocker.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Huge.
5VM, and the way understand the 5VM from ACS has this extra shelf here.
Yes.
That makes it a lot more firm and stable.
Yeah.
And it's got the holes that match up to the factory holes.
Right.
Yep. Very nice. Look at that. And it's painted carbon flash.
So these are what are going to be mounted today on Captain America.
Very nice.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Brink of Speed. As you can see, my car is now on the lift. We are doing an install on my car, a much needed install. I've wanted this for quite some time. And as you saw in the intro there, it is the ACS Composite 5VM side skirts. So I can't wait to get these on. I can't wait to see how much this changes my car. Mark's in the process of lifting it up right now so that we can have easy access. So this is a do-it-yourself. A lot of people don't really attempt to do this install, and I don't think there's a video out there on doing this install, just the one VM. So anyway, thank you to ACS Composite for their amazing products. I absolutely love them. If you are excited about this, give us a big thumbs up, and let's get going. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Mark T took his Corvette home and brought back his wide-body Hellcat. Look at that. Jeez. Dude, that is pretty. That is really, really pretty.
When you change cars, you got to change shoes. So you got to put on the purple shoes.
Nice. That's awesome.
Yeah, did I keep it? Yeah, that's the Wi-Fi.
Any Hellcat lovers out there, put it in the comments down below. All right, so Mark is going to explain something real quick. We have to put this mounting bracket on.
You know, instead of the ACS is better constructed, I think, and it's got the wider shelf that it bolts up underneath. But it does have this little ledge that helps it sit.
So we don't have to screw a hole into
holes,
the side.
but you do have this two-sided tape. Yeah, you just go flush with this, and you'll notice that there's, I don't know if you can see that, Mike, there's a little ledge. See that little ledge?
Yes.
That little ledge goes
right
on
against
this.
there. Cool.
So you can kind of feel it. You can kind of feel it.
Okay.
Feel it. And then push it.
And then it's on there.
Then it's on there. And then this just has to line up with that.
Right.
That's simple.
Okay.
Now turn the camera off so I don't screw it up. I'm just kidding.
Mark, you're such a jokester.
I know. I just turn that off now. I'm under pressure. Now, Mark T, you got to come here. Mark T, come on. You're helping me.
Mark, you're being summoned.
I'm being summoned. The Mark and Mark show is
Yes.
back in business.
And you know what that means? This side's going to get done right.
That's right. That's right. You know what we do.
So now let's just tip it down and pull out the red. We got to pull out this red tape.
So real quick, let me show you that they started
Go like that.
the tape
Yep.
a little bit here and
Yep.
then on this side as well. Mm-hmm. So that way.
And then I'm just gonna feel the ledge here. I want to make sure I feel the ledge here. Okay. Now, are you lined up with the body?
Yep.
You're lined up with the body. Okay.
There you go. Now it's working. Is
Okay,
that
keep
all?
holding.
Is
Keep
that
holding.
all flush? This has got to be perfectly flush with that line.
Yep.
Okay. Cool.
I need light really quick.
Yep.
Okay, we're flush with that. Okay, Mark, push your side in.
Yep.
And
just
let's
like that.
do, yep.
30 seconds of pressure.
I know that's maybe a little overkill, but
No.
3M
The
engine.
ingenuity of Mark I.
It's just you want to make sure that thing's gonna seat, you know.
Right.
And I'm doing even.
We don't even short the
Pressure.
Don't short the procedure.
GM engineers say 30 seconds.
So anyway, you got to stay on that for 30 seconds.
Yep.
And then we are going to grab the actual side skirt here and show you how to mount that.
Let me dry.
All right, so now we are going to dry fit the
You see
side
this, Mike?
skirt.
This goes right into there. It's really cool. It just goes
Yes.
right into there.
It's awesome.
So it just kind of.
ACS Composite definitely did a great job. Yeah,
See,
go
it just
on
sits
top.
right like that.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. And the gap, like Joseph said, you just kind of push in on that when you're before you seat it down. So now we're going to take it off and take the tape off
Yep. Okay. And they put a nice little piece of tape under there
to start.
to start it. All right.
Okay.
Now remember, don't get it touched to the tape yet until.
Don't touch the tape.
Yeah, don't touch the tape until you've got it all the way back.
Okay, it's all the way back now.
Now make sure it's all the way forward too. That way.
Okay, all the way forward, and then we come down, right?
Hang
No,
on,
I
don't come down yet. One more thing that you should do is make sure this screw is going to go in right here. And see if it lines up.
Use that little screwdriver I have there.
That looks like it's lining up perfect. Here, you got it? All right, so even if you only have the stock mud guards here, you still want to make sure that this flap is under here, because otherwise, once you rivet here, you'll never be able to get under here again, because the rivet goes right here and right here. So we're gonna.
It's almost like you have to temporarily pop your.
Yeah.
Pop that out. Yeah, good.
There we go.
There you go.
And then
It gives you.
pull that down, and now it's on top, and
Pop it back.
pop it right back in. Okay, so now let's make sure that still goes in there. Yes, perfect. And
Make sure you're pushing on this, guys, to make sure there's no gap. Push with your thumb. No gap there.
there you have it.
Now that's tight. Okay, now drilling holes and rivets.
Yep. Now we got to drill holes and put rivets in.
Okay.
So we have to put this screw in as well.
And when you're doing that, make sure you're pushing against the body of the car. Go easy. That's good.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect.
Yep. Now we got to start drilling the holes for the long and the short rivets. The instructions in supplied show you which one, where to use the long and the short rivets. There you go. Just kind of push in a little bit. And you're getting your hole lined up. You're only going in a 1/4 inch. Okay, that's good.
One.
And you're just following the holes. He's not randomly drilling holes. There's holes in the bottom of the piece that you just go in a 1/4 inch.
All of them.
You got it, Mike?
Yep.
All good?
Got them all. So now it's rivet time. That was gonna be. Now we're doing rivets. And these small rivets are not easy.
Mike, you wish you had that little rivet gun that Joe uses in his videos?
I do.
That's an electric one. It's just
I do.
like boom.
What are you thinking, Mark? Not owning one of those.
I know, right? That's the one tool I don't have.
Be done.
Okay, we did the short ones in the back. Now we did the long ones in the front.
Right here's the first one. No, right here's the first one.
There we go.
Yeah.
When we were doing my Z51 spoiler, you just got to drill just a little bit. Don't go too far.
Yeah. All right, it's pretty dirty under there, but as you can see, all the rivets are in now. I didn't want to bore you guys with just putting in a bunch of rivets. All right, so the side skirts are now on. Let me know what you guys think. They definitely match up really well with the 5VM front splitter, but I like them. I think they definitely add a new dimension. We got Mark Eye's new front 5VM splitter.
Yes.
And we got, that's kind of a different looking Corvette, don't you think?
Yeah.
That's one of those front engine Corvettes, I think.
Yeah, that's one of the front engine ones.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's a
It's
front
got a
engine one.
different look to it.
Yeah.
I love it though. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to wrap this video up. If you enjoyed it, give us a big thumbs up. If you want to order some of these side skirts, just go to ACS Composite. I'll put the link below and you can easily get those ordered. If you want to make sure you never miss one of these videos, please consider subscribing by smashing that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. I hope each and every one of you has a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you guys out on the road.
We'll be right back.